Christiana, and today I'm going to talk about the Internet of Things, also known as IoT. So, a brief outline of what we're going to talk about today is what's the definition of IoT, the history, growing trends, how IoT works, benefits and concerns, what is it used for, and examples. Um, The Wikipedia defined IoT as a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines with the ability to transfer data over network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. Now, going through the history of IoT, although the Internet of Things has not been around for more than 2 decades, there was a man who foresaw the rise of IoT almost 100 years before its arrival. This man was Nikola Tesla, a famed Serbian visionary who stated back in 1926 that when wireless is perfectly applied, the whole earth will be converted into a huge brain. And the instruments through which we shall be able to do this will be amazingly simple compared with our present telephone. A man will be able to carry one in his vast pocket. In this image, you can visualize the whole history of IoT, at least a portion of it. So the IoT started with the invention of the telegraph. Then, on the second half of the 19th century, appeared the first machine-to-machine applications, which is an interaction between two machines without a human interfacing or interaction. Then, as I told previously, Nikola Tesla predicted smart devices. Then, vending machine appeared and was the first smart device ever. John Rocket did the first toast via internet. Kevin Ashton proposed the www, and finally, in 2008, a great amount of IoT technology started to appear. So the IoT market is getting bigger and bigger, and Bain predicts that combined markets of the Internet of Things will grow about to 520 billion in 2021, more than 235 billion is spent in 2017. Data center and analytics will be the fastest growing in IoT segment, reaching a 50% compound annual growth rate from 2017 to 2021. So, and how the IoT system works? First, sensors or devices collect data from the environment. The sensor can be a variety of things, such as camera and GPS. Next, the data is sent to the cloud, but it needs a way to get there. The sensors can be connected to the cloud through a variety of methods, including cellular, satellite, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. Once the data gets to the cloud, software performs some kind of processing on it. This could be very simple, such as checking that temperature reading is within a acceptable range. Or it could also be very complex, such as using computer vision on video to identify objects. Finally, the information is made useful to the end user in some way, and this could be via email, text, notification, etc. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of Internet of Things? This is one of the biggest questions often asked. Some of the advantages of IoT that we are going to discuss are cost savings, efficiency, and automation. IoT makes the electronic appliance communicate with each other in an effective manner, thereby conserving and saving cost and energy. Hence, it's helpful to people in their daily routines by allowing the data to be shared and communicated between electronic devices and then translating it into a required way. Productivity plays a key role in the profitability of any business, and IoT offers just-in-time training for the employees, improve labor efficiency, and also reduce mismatch of skills while increasing organizational productivity. With IoT, physical objects is getting control and connect digitally with wireless infrastructure. There is a big amount of control in the workings. All the machines are capable to communicate with each other without human interaction, which leads us to saving time. On the other hand, IoT technologies also have some disadvantages, such as security and privacy, overdependency on technology, and employment issues. As there is an involvement of different technologies and devices, there is monitoring. This is there's been monitoring by more than one company, which directly questions the security and privacy issues. Data retrieval and storage also becomes a major concern for the companies because all of them are involved at the same time. In the case of keeping only one company, it may lead to the question of domination. In addition, we can see in our daily lives that we are dependent upon technology and its devices for every little thing. With the help of IoT, this dependency will become even more bigger in daily routines. Totally relying on IoT devices may create trouble in case of a non-working or crash on an IoT infrastructure. The IoT technologies are increasing not only in one industry, but in many more. Examples of the different industries that already are using Internet of Things are smart city, transportation, connected industry, smart energy, healthcare, smart retail, supply chain, and agriculture. And it's getting bigger and bigger. I could give you a lot of examples of IoT devices in our daily lives today, but two of my favorite ones are the Amazon Echo Plus and the Philips Hue. Amazon Echo Plus is a voice controller and a popular reliable IoT device. It is capable to run songs, do phone calls, set timers and alarms, ask questions, provide information, check the weather, manage a to-do and shopping lists, manage house instruments, and several other things. The Philips Hue is a very famous IoT device, and it's used as a personal wireless lighting system that allows you to control your light and create the right ambience for every moment. So this was my presentation about Internet of Things. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please just leave a comment here in the discussion bar. I will be happy to answer. Thank you for your time.